So this is just a brief overview of how the heck I got into this crazy business, without all of the details that have kind of been laid out before you on the document. Well, it's not really a document, but in this page. Suffice it to say, back in around 2004-ish, another guy that I partnered with, we co-founded a company called Home Pro Hub. Home Pro Hub was designed to be a business that you would know today as Angie's List or Home Advisor. We were kind of early in that space, radically underfunded, had no idea that those monsters were actually coming out of the woodwork, and later they would dominate the industry as we've all come to know. It was during that time that I was introduced to Dan Tice, who, one of the founders of Heavenly Greens, saw our business model and actually became one of my first investors in that organization. One thing led to another. Didn't work out very well. However, I saw a need at Heavenly Greens, and since Home Pro Hub had collapsed and failed, go get another job in the Silicon Valley, or hey, maybe I'll go do the marketing for Heavenly Greens. As it turned out, in 2006, I came on board as a sales rep and knew nothing about in-home sales, as well as quitting a corporate job, because I was doing Home Pro Hub on the side. I quit a corporate job to sell artificial grass, 100% commission. Didn't tell my wife, true story. And I took my 2-week paid vacation from the corporation and ended up taking that time to get trained in the first week, and then went out selling the second week. Sold my first job, measured it completely horribly wrong. I actually had to give up most of my commission on my very first sale because I measured so bad. But anyway, that's how things got started. I get into more details down below. It progressed. I got to spend anywhere from $800 to $1 million a year in this room for about 12 years, just doing nothing but learning about digital marketing, testing, doing all kinds of cool stuff. And Dan Tice let me do that. Ultimately, we ended up developing a deeper relationship to becoming a co-owner with my business partner, Tim Fullerton. So there's the overview, and we'll see you in the next one.